This is a pro driver, and we're gonna see if he can kiss my door.
I put it on the door. I don't control what else happens after that.
So if he can put it on my door and tap that thing, all right, $100 goes to him.
By the end of the night. I gotta tap the store by the end of the night.
Oh, now he's saying the end of the night.
I'm gonna slap and tickle this dude's door with my front tire.
Hey, Eric's good, but he's not that good. If he can put it on my door, I bet this guy $100 he couldn't put it on my door. If he don't, he ain't getting this $100, bro.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
It wasn't my door. I don't know what door he was talking about, but I'm trying to figure out what door he was talking about.
Just about tagged his door. Didn't know where the f he was going. He was a little off line. You might have to believe that. Oh well.
Hey, I don't know how to make parts on better. Hey, well, listen, because I lost the exhaust. What? I lost the exhaust. It fell off somewhere.
Not fun, you know, so he needs to stay online so I can kiss that damn door.
I wake up in the morning and piss excellence.
It's because he has trust in you.
I think that's bullshit, all right? Because he should trust me by now, because I ain't playing around. Let's go, baby.
They play no game.
I'm coming, baby.
What?
That door is mine.
Final round.
Tell me. I put it on the door. I don't control what else happens after that.
All right, man.
Hey, I was there.
All right.
I was there.
I don't know, I felt a little taparooski on the tire, but I kept going. And I don't know what happened from there, but apparently Eric got caught in a barrier.
I was sick.
He told me not to get close, but then I was like,
I'm okay with you.
He gives a
we're gonna
shit.
do it again. We're gonna get better.
So is your car okay?
Yeah.
All right. So he hit you?
So he hit my front bash bar.
Oh.
I thought like the wheel looked fine and the
All
whole
right.
bumper on the front, right?
Bro,
got kind of pushed
I
in.
was in you.
No, I was like,
that came out wrong. That came out.
I know.
You watch it closely, you see Hobson sees you coming out of drift, so he comes out of drift. I shoot off the track, and then Hert's like, yep, I'm done.
God damn. Boy, you hit that barrier.
That's a $550 bumper. I looked it up last night.
So here you are talking about smacking the pros. I mean, I guess you did.
I smacked him, mother.
Sure did.
So long, gay boys.